What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. It's your boy Alpha Z34, and today we actually got a little bit different of a style vlog. Today is going to be an install. I know usually I'm always either racing or I don't know, something like that, but today we're going to actually do an install video. I actually just installed Z1's John Palm. Shout out to you, Mr. John, over at Z1. I installed their light, and dude, it's such a big difference. This light is super dope, honestly. I wish I would have got these a long time ago, but I have them now. The reason that I got them is because one of my OEM markers, the cap fell off, and so it made me pretty much go look for another how can I say it, another option, either go OEM or, you know, go aftermarket. And I saw them on their page, and yeah, man, I'm glad I got them. Super happy with the turnout. It's a big difference on the look, but you know, so shout out to them. Beyond all of that though, let's get to the video. So today I am installing a new part. I've had this part for a little minute now, just haven't had time to install it because of work. As you know, some of you guys know, these OEM shift knobs are super expensive. They're super expensive, and I really don't want to mess up my OEM Nismo shift knob. It is kind of, you know, messing up a little bit, so maybe I can save it and get that redone, maybe in carbon or something. Also, here's my badge of my Nismo 2, number 14. But beyond all of that, I have this titanium shift knob. A lot of people might think like, oh, that's dumb, why would you put that titanium on there? Me personally, it's a different option, and to keep from messing this up, which is I think a couple $100. So with that being said, yeah, man, I just don't want to mess it up, man. Every part on this Nismo is super expensive, and I want to try to savor as many parts as I can. With all that being said though, my battery is running a little low, so let's get straight to the video. And so a lot of people also have problems taking these off. They are hard. I think I've actually taken this one off before, and so what I had to do, and what I found was better, obviously get a bunch of, you know, rags, towels, microfibers, whatever, right? Wrap it around the knob as many times as you can to make it super thick. I got a couple of them here, and I got a whole pack down there, but wrap as many as around. Tape the bottom so it won't come off, and then I have a vice grip, or plumber's wrench, or whatever you want to call them. Wrap it, put it around the outside, and twist it off. That's the best way I found without messing them up and without breaking them. You do not want to break them, and let's hope I don't break this one. I don't have anybody recording, so what I'll do is I'm probably just going to go ahead and get it done, and then once I get it done, show you the final product, just because it's freaking hot out here and I want to get this done. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so it's been probably about 3 minutes now that the shift knob is, as you can see, freely spinning off. Let's go ahead and get that all the way off. There we go. So as you can see, there's really no damage on this thing, just regular wear and tear of my hand shifting on it, but other than that, nothing's cracked, nothing's broke, anything like that. So it does feel really good though, weighted shift knob. But yeah, so now that's off. So now you have, obviously you have your thread pitch and everything, clean that off. And then with this titanium shift knob, it's not quite as heavy, but it feels good. So what you would do is set that down. You'll see you have these grommets, which pretty much like adapters, I guess you would say. So you find out which adapter you need, right? So all it does is it is self-threaded, so you'll stick this on and you'll make your own thread, right? And it just builds that groove in there. So like I say, you just found out which one you need. See how that's obviously too big. Pause. And then you have this one. This one is definitely better, and you want to try to find which one's the snuggest, right? But I think this one's actually a little too small. I might be able to make that work. And then you have this one, which is a little wider, and it looks like, I think that's actually the fit right there. But with this being said, like I said, it's hot, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this done so I won't mess it up, and then I'll update you guys whenever we get this part on now. All right, so now you guys can see I have the shift knob installed. Move all this stuff. Freaking parachute handle with the billet jegs handle, fucking badass. But yeah, so shift knob is installed. That ain't going nowhere. That's up, right? Looks pretty good to me. You know, it's not the heaviest, but feels pretty good. Second, third, fourth, fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse. Yep. Nice. Heck yeah. So that's installed, guys, and that'll probably conclude this video. I know it wasn't the best video ever and it sucked or whatever and it was short, but I just wanted to get you guys an install of the shift knob, man. So there you go. I actually have to go and pick up the trailer. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one.